Hey folks, back. We got another parts review. I'm going to go over some of the other parts here that we've gotten for Herbie Project and show you what we're using to put Herbie back together because, hey, it's exciting. We got lots of parts and we're getting ready now to start putting Herbie back together because we have reached that point. Now, as you can see, we have some Moog parts. We went with the Moog complete, that's right, wheel nut. We went with the complete knuckle, shield, bearing, hub, everything combined. So we got two of these, one for the driver's side, one for the passenger side, and that's what's going to replace the old rusty ones that were right there. So we got both of these, and lo and behold, they came with the nuts, so that's always a good bonus. So if you're going to buy these, keep in mind, yep, we got them. So, Moog. Other parts that we have. We have upper and lower hoses for the radiator. Right here. Brand new with the clamps. They come with the clamps and everything. We have the upper in upstream and downstream oxygen sensors, and to make it easy, one on the upstream, I forget which one it is, but the connectors are different for the upstream as they are for the downstream, and I don't know which one is which. I ain't looking at them right now, but I did verify that we have the right ones. So we have 4 brand new oxygen sensors that will be going on there. And just in case we bought 2 more Ford OEM, we didn't, because we had the Moog, but these are OEM axle nuts. And then we also have another hose here that we have, and this is the part number for it. I forget what one this was for. Remember what this hose was for, Jeff? This rubber one? I forget what that one was for.
Is that your high pressure?
That
Water.
that
was power steering no.
that's a low pressure probably. Might be the low pressure line.
Yeah.
This is the high pressure line right here.
Yeah, that's right.
And we have the high pressure line, has a banjo fittings and everything right here, and has the crush washers too, right? Yeah, it's all ready to go, so we'll have a brand new high pressure line. And then we won't talk about the valve cover for Lou that's leaking oil. That's not for Herbie. Herbie's got valve covers. But inside these boxes also, we do have 1 radiator and 1 condenser / transmission cooler. Both of them brand new Ford Motorcraft, and we'll be installing those also. So yeah, we're going full hog on this thing. And as a bonus, we have Lou's old exhaust system laying on the ground that has rusted out. Yes, 340,000 miles, and she's done. Rusted out down there too. So we're waiting for this this whole back section here to show up for Lou, and we got the front section already for Lou, but the back section is no idea when it's going to show up. But anyway, those are all the new parts right there, and right there in that pile, along with these parts that we had here we already went over. So what we're going to be doing today is taking this long box here and mounting it on the subframe along with the sway bar in the Moog bushings, and we're going to put and add the subframe back to Herbie. So we are assembling Herbie now. Oh, I forgot almost to mention, we have brand new intermediate shaft. That's right there. And we have both the passenger and driver side axle shafts. So those are also brand new Motorcraft parts that are going into Herbie. Oh, the creme de la creme. We have a brand new 6F50 transmission, remanufactured by Ford. Got a few numbers here. And when you get it, you have to have your own cap and a few other things. But comes with a new torque converter and all the other parts that you'd really want. You have to buy the flex plate. We got a new flex plate and new bolts for it. So yeah, brand new remanufactured from Ford. Got it from Texas. Transmission that is going into Herbie. And it comes in this clamshell case right here. So that's where we're at with that, folks. All right, a few other parts. These are the torque converter flywheel, right, Jeff? And these are torque to yield. So yeah, no reusing according to Ford. And then we have some other nuts here. And I forget what, these are exhaust nuts here. Because, yeah, rust. And then these are, I forget what were these. Torque converter. So these are the torque converter bolts or nuts, and this is the flywheel or flex plate or whatever you guys want to call it, but it is a brand new one for Herbie to mount up to the torque converter and transmission. So yeah, we got a lot of new parts for it, folks, and we're just trying to put them all together, and that's coming. And as they always say, Napa not a sponsor, but anyway, got some Total Eclipse. That's right, Total Eclipse. I don't know what that all means, but anyway, we have brand new brake calipers and brackets, all overhauled, I guess. So these are also going to go into Herbie. And of course we got a warranty with them, so I guess we're all set for that. But this is another part of the parts that are going into Herbie. And as you can see, throttle body gasket, valve cover gasket, not valve cover, upper intake. We still have to get the lower intake gaskets, but spark plugs, thermostat, tensioner, PVC valve, air filters, also belts, all sorts of different parts. Everything's coming together. Well, folks, that's the parts review for now for Herbie Project. Hey, next video you see, parts, I don't know, it's part 9 or something. You'll start seeing Herbie being reassembled. It's in the future, folks, and it's heading that direction. Say hi, Jeff.
Hey, how are ya?
This is MACT. Remember, like, subscribe, join. My feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day, and I want you to have a great day too. Band of One's got some great music, and Mercy Girl, where are you? Where are you, baby? Anyway, she's got a couple one-liners for you.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.